Hi.
Hello, welcome to my live.
Hello, welcome to my live also. Where are you from?
I'm from Bihar.
Where's Bihar?
It's Bihar, India.
Bihar, India. I'm from Philippines.
Oh, well, you don't look like a Filipina to me. You're like someone from Japan.
For real?
Yeah, yeah,
Thank
yeah, yeah.
you.
What do you do in life?
I just talk to strangers.
Wow. I
How
would
about
love
you?
to.
Do you
I want to
sing?
do that. I
I
want to do
want.
that. You know,
But
just
what do you do in your life?
tonight, this is like I'm pretty busy today. I need to take a quick break, talk to people. That's it.
Oh, okay. I get it.
All right. How about you? Like, are you a student or no?
Working.
Working already. Do you want to play
Filipino
the?
ka daw eh.
What? You're a Filipino.
Hindi guys, yung accent niya eh. Do you speak in Tagalog? Can you speak in Tagalog?
Sino nagsabi?
Sila, sa comment section. Ang galing! Ang ganda ng accent!
May nagsabi ba?
Ano ako? Ako yung na-prank. Ang lala. Nantitrip lang ako ng tao. Ginaganon ko din sila. Sabi ko, taga-Japan ako. Naniniwala ako sa'yo kasi ang ganda ng accent. Kuwang-kuwa.
Na ano ka ba? Para ba talagang Indiano pakinggan?
Oo, yung tono. Astig! Pag-aaralin
Actually,
ko nga.
Altina. Oh, I like your name, Altina. I-upload ko to sa page ko, Altina.
Sige, coach.
Sige, sige. I-DM kita pag na-upload na to, Altina. Sa blue up ko ilalagay. Altina, holy cow, you have 3.6. Ang dami mong ano.
Nagulat ako, Pilipino. Dapat di ka nag-break ng character para paniwala pa rin ako.
Wala, may nagsabi na kasi. Ano ka ba, Alti? Ano ba sa blue up? Ganito, di ba kadami ano mo?
1.8. Pero sira kasi yung blue up ko eh. Restricted siya, hindi na nag-up yung ano ko. Hindi pa rin naayos 4 months na.
Ganun
Hindi
ba?
siya eligible.
I see. Ano ba ginagawa mo sa ano? Ang dami mong followers.
Puro sayaw lang ngayon po.
Ganun din sa blue up. Guys, she's famous. That's why we have a lot of people watching right now. Maybe she has a lot, 3.6 million followers on TikTok. Yeah.
Nosebleed ako sa kanya, men. Follow nyo siya, guys!
Yeah,
Follow
that's why I said,
WW.
wow, she looks Japan, yeah, from Japan, and now she's famous. I didn't know that, yeah. Anyway, yeah, Altina Vidal. Saan ka sa Pilipinas, Altina?
Sa Manila po.